bitika kana jorua cia bitika cia Kenya Cup hari mũthako wa gonya Kabras Sugar ni maratirihe raundi ya mwaka wa 2023 matahotetwo ngucanio onemwe thutha kũhota timu ya KCB na pointi 14 gwa 10 hari ngucanio ya mũthako ũyũ ĩrĩa yathakirwo ira mwena wa Kakamega. KCB aria mateire rekodi yao ya kwaga kũhotwo kuri timu ya Menengai Oilers kiumia githiru maronire mũthako mwega hari kibindi kia mbere no
This is not a slim win. It means a lot. It gives us momentum towards playoffs. You know, we're continuously still keeping our unbeaten streak. You know, it's one of the few things that is giving us the drive that we continue playing. But I'm very happy with the boys.
I can't blame the weather. We played so well. My boys really stand up today. A few things we need to work on. Just playing a territorial match. Otherwise, we were very good, dominant. Our set pieces were decent. Going forward, we just need to polish a few things here and there.